The 12 secrets the rich don't want you to know. We live in a world that operates on invisible rules, rules that were designed by the wealthy to serve their interests. While the majority struggle to make ends meet, a small percentage of people hold vast amounts of wealth, not because they work harder, but because they understand and exploit financial principles that are deliberately hidden from the masses. Everything you've been told about wealth, from the importance of hard work to the idea that saving money will make you rich, has been carefully curated to keep you trapped in a system that benefits the elite. It's time to pull back the curtain and uncover the 12 secrets the rich don't want you to know. These insights will change the way you see money and help you escape the cycle of financial struggle. Secret number 1. Hard work alone won't make you rich. You've been taught that if you work hard, you'll eventually become wealthy. This is one of the biggest lies ever told. If hard work were the key to riches, then laborers, factory workers, and janitors would be the wealthiest people on the planet. The truth is, the rich don't rely on their own labor. They use leverage. They employ other people, use other people's money, and take advantage of systems that multiply their wealth. For example, Jeff Bezos didn't become a billionaire by packing Amazon boxes himself. He built a system where thousands of employees and advanced automation do the work for him while he collects profits. If you want to break free, you need to stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like an owner. Instead of exchanging time for money, focus on building systems, businesses, and investments that generate income without requiring your constant effort. Secret number 2. They want you to believe money is evil. You've heard the phrase, money is the root of all evil. But have you ever wondered why this idea is so widely promoted? The wealthy don't believe this. They understand that money is a tool, neither good nor bad. The more money you have, the more freedom and opportunities you gain. Meanwhile, those who reject wealth often remain stuck in financial hardship, believing that desiring money is greedy. The rich, however, see money as a means to create opportunities, fund their ambitions, and influence the world. Take Warren Buffett, for instance. His wealth allows him to donate billions to charities while still growing his fortune. If you want financial independence, you need to stop fearing money and start mastering how to use it effectively. Secret number 3. Savings alone won't make you rich. Many financial gurus tell you to save money, cut expenses, and invest in mutual funds. While saving is important, it's not the path to wealth. Inflation erodes the value of savings, and banks offer minimal interest rates that barely keep up with rising costs. The wealthy don't just save, they invest. They put their money in real estate, stocks, businesses, and high-growth opportunities. For example, Elon Musk invested his PayPal earnings into Tesla and SpaceX rather than keeping the money in a savings account. The key is to make your money work for you, rather than hoarding it. Secret number 4. The school system keeps you trapped. Traditional education teaches you how to be an employee, not an entrepreneur. Schools focus on memorization, obedience, and conformity, traits that make you a great worker, but not a wealth creator. Why do the rich send their kids to elite schools that emphasize networking, critical thinking, and financial education? Because they know that financial success requires skills beyond textbooks. They learn about investing, risk-taking, and wealth-building strategies that regular schools never teach. If you want financial freedom, start educating yourself outside of traditional schooling. Read books about investing, learn about business, and surround yourself with people who think differently. Secret number 5. The tax system favors the wealthy. Taxes are structured in a way that benefits those who understand the system. The wealthy don't work for salaries, which are heavily taxed. Instead, they own businesses and assets, which offer tax advantages. For instance, real estate investors can deduct expenses like mortgage interest, property maintenance, and depreciation. Entrepreneurs reinvest profits into their businesses to reduce taxable income. Amazon, for years, legally paid little to no federal taxes because of reinvestment strategies and tax incentives. If you want to minimize your tax burden, learn the strategies the rich use. Start a business, invest in real estate, and take advantage of legal tax deductions. Secret number 6. Debt is a tool, not a trap. Most people are taught to fear debt. However, the rich use good debt to acquire assets that generate cash flow. They borrow money to buy rental properties, start businesses, or invest in ventures that grow their wealth. For example, Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, built his fortune using debt to buy real estate that pays for itself through rental income. Instead of avoiding debt, learn to use it strategically to create income-producing assets. Secret number 7. Your consumerism fuels their wealth. Every time you buy the latest phone, designer clothes, or expensive coffee, you're putting money into the pockets of the wealthy. Meanwhile, they are investing in assets that appreciate over time, instead of spending on liabilities. Shift your focus to acquiring assets. Buy stocks, start businesses, and invest in skills that increase your earning potential. Wealthy individuals own the companies that produce the things you impulsively buy. Secret number 8. Who you know matters more than what you know. We've been told that education and hard work are the keys to success, but in reality, connections play an even bigger role. The rich understand the power of networking and surround themselves with influential people who provide opportunities and insider knowledge. Mark Zuckerberg, for example, built Facebook not just because he was skilled, but because he had access to the right people in Silicon Valley. The key to success isn't just talent, it's access to the right circles. Secret number 9. Time is their most valuable asset. The rich don't waste time on tasks that don't generate wealth. They delegate, automate, and outsource to focus on high-impact activities. Bill Gates doesn't mow his lawn or do household chores. He uses his time for strategic decisions that grow his empire. Learn to prioritize your time for activities that bring long-term benefits rather than temporary relief. Secret number 10. The stock market is rigged in their favor. While the average investor follows mainstream financial advice, the wealthy have access to insider information, algorithmic trading, and private investment opportunities. Hedge funds and big investors manipulate markets using strategies unavailable to small investors. To protect yourself, focus on long-term investments and educate yourself on market trends.
Secret number 11. Failure is the price of success. Rich people don't fear failure. They embrace it. Every billionaire has failed multiple times before succeeding. Jeff Bezos' first ventures flopped before Amazon took off. The key is to learn from mistakes, take calculated risks, and persist. Fear of failure keeps many people from trying, but success is built on resilience. Secret number 12. Your ignorance fuels their wealth. The less you know about money, the easier you are to control. Financial illiteracy keeps people in jobs they hate, living paycheck to paycheck. Educate yourself about wealth creation. Read books, take courses, and seek mentors who have achieved financial independence. The takeaway: stop playing by their rules. Learn how money works, invest wisely, and take control of your financial future. The system is rigged, but once you understand the game, you can start winning. If you have listened to this point, I know you will be feeling better off by now. Always remember that healing is a process. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button for more motivational speeches and life-changing inspirations you need to transform your life.